Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial, and in this tutorial I will do something different. So instead of using standard subdivision techniques, this time I will use bevels. Also, with the new semi-4D version S24, I will use place tool to place these objects. Also, everything that I do in my object can be changed. Also, I will put these objects in the description so you can download. So this is what we are gonna get in this tutorial. So you can download this and put on your object. So let's start. I will start with a cube. Also, let's enable lines so we can see the edges. I am gonna make the X on 25, same for the Z. Maybe we can make the Z 100. Also, let's increase these segments to 2 so I can see the center lines. I will rename that to base. Then I'm gonna press Alt, select Boole, and I'm gonna duplicate that base. Let's rename that to Boole. Now I will duplicate that, press Ctrl, then move. But Boole won't work because these objects need to be in one group. So select them, press Alt and G. This way Boole would work. I will duplicate that one. Also, let's go to base and enable fillet. Make it 4 to 5. And I will duplicate that one too. Another one here. Also, let's make it here. Now I will press Ctrl and move them down. This is gonna duplicate them. Also, let's make something between them. Now let's make something for the edges. I'm gonna create a cube. I will rotate it 45 degrees. Then I will put that into my Boole group. Let's duplicate that, press Ctrl, then move. And then I'm gonna select these two, duplicate them too. But this time I'm gonna rotate them minus 90 degrees. For the back side, I'm gonna use these ones with symmetry tool. But before that, I need to make these groups center axis 0 in the vert coordinates. So select the group, enable axis, then set the Y and Z to 0. Now I can press Alt and select symmetry, but change the mirror plane. Now let's work on that side. And I think I will duplicate that one. Then I will set Z position to 0, so it's gonna be right in the center. Let's make this bigger. Now I will put that object into the Boole under symmetry, but it's not gonna work. Why? Because, as I said, these two objects need to be one group. So select them all, press Alt and G. Then I will duplicate that one too. This time, let's make something different. I'm gonna make that editable. Press C, select the center edges, double click on them. Then I'm gonna bevel them, between subdivision. Then I will select these polygons, press Ctrl. Also, I will move them just like that, so they won't touch the surface. Then I will go to top view, select these polygons, right click, make an extrude inner. Then I will move them just like that. So now I will just duplicate that one too and rotate that. Now I need a group which is right in the center of the world, so I can use symmetry, so create a null. I'm gonna put that here and put these objects in that null. Then I'm gonna select the null, press Alt, select symmetry. Also, let's make something for the top and bottom. I will put that in that group. Then I'm gonna duplicate that. I think this is gonna be enough for the first bool. Yes, first bool. I will add another bool too. Press Alt, select bool. And let's add another cube. I will put it right here. Then I'm gonna put that cube under the bool, the first bool. Let's make it a different shape. Something like that. And now I will show you why I created that second bool. If I put that, the new cube, under the old bool, this is not gonna work. So when they intersect in the same bool group, they won't work. So you will need to create another bool and put that cube under that new bool. Let's duplicate that. Also, these needs to be one group. And also let's make this nulls position to 0. So enable access, set positions to 0. Then I'm gonna press Alt, select symmetry. Let's rename that to bool2. Then I'm gonna press Alt, create another bool, bool3. I will create a cube, make it really thin, and then put it right here. Then I can create another one. So let's make them one group. Press Alt and G, then put it under that bool. But I want to make it a lot harder, so I will duplicate that one. Let's move it here. Right, let's duplicate them. Also, let's make another one here. All right, I think this is enough. Let's create another bool. But this time I will use this bool for union, not subtraction. So first, let's create another cube. Let's duplicate that. Also, I'm gonna put something over the top. Let's increase the segments. I will press Shift and add a taper deformer for this cube. I don't want any curvature, I just want that. Then I will duplicate this. Also, let's select them all, press Ctrl, rotate. So let's select them all, press Alt and G, and put it under that new bool. But as I said, this time I'm gonna union them. So they act like a one object, so we can see from the inside. Now we can start to add these bevels. To do that, select the bool, Alt, select connect, but change the Pong mode to lowest. Add a Bevel Deformer, but this needs to be in one group, so select them all, press Alt and G. First thing, I am gonna lower the offset 0.5 and increase subdivisions to 2. This time you will get these Phong errors, but it is really easy to fix. Just go to Bevel and turn on Phong break rounding. And I'm gonna turn off these deformers in the viewport. Also, let's enable ambient occlusion. So we get these perfect results. And the good part working like that is we can always go back and change something. So let's say that I want to change here. I can go back to my Boole 1, go to that null, and enable fillet. So I will get these results really fast. So you can do whatever you want. The only bad part is to finding them. It's gonna be a little bit complicated, but I think it does worth that. Now I want to show you something new in the new Cinema 4D S24. For that, I am gonna open my asset browser. I have created that folder and I have prepared some models. The first thing, I will go to here, select place, select my object and drag it over the scene, and I will rotate that. So if you press Ctrl and move it, it's gonna create a duplicate. Let's put one here. I have also made that hinge. Let's also put that here. So now let's add the last object. So now I need to change my up direction. Select place and let's make it Y. Also undo that and drag it one more time. By the way, that place tool created instances, so we can change it to copy or render instance. So keep that in mind. Alright guys, that was it. Thank you very much for watching. And by the way, I will also put these objects that in the asset browser in the description, so you can download it and put on your object. And they are basically the same technique with Bevel Deformer. So thank you very much and I'll see you in the next stories. Bye.